Jax that did my job and got out.
my fishing pole.
Jack's jungle. Is that the thing?
I don't think so.
Oh. I've never seen you play Jax in my life.
I go fucking crazy.
He's up the top. He's up the top. Oh no.
Be in for a special. You know what? This time I'm not fucking battling good your lane because it doesn't matter, man.
That's
I'm
it.
going where the fuck I want,
Bravest
man.
hero I
That's
ever
it.
knew.
Good luck, brother.
was just
Throw a
a
granada.
kid.
Thank you.
In the pit. He's in the pit. He's in the pit.
Well,
Throw a
go on
granada.
that road. This bro. She's gonna
She's done
be.
it.
That's Mini. He's pit.
Yeah,
I won't be able to counter it either, so it's gonna be you.
That's fine.
I think. Just don't get.
Just shutting a rap.
Warriors,
She is.
gods, they all bleed the
Oh, he's
same.
82 as well. Oh, that nade just needed
I don't
to
know if I
happen.
win early or not. I'm versing Smolder.
Oh god.
Oh
Damn.
no. Oh no.
Oh, whatever you said, Ko. One's pushing mid.
Nothing wrong with life of
Free
peace.
stack.
Could never find one myself.
My mouse moves are so fucking bad last game. I feel like I couldn't walk properly. Hate that shit. Some days it will clean, some days I just can't move. Do you ever get that or just me?
Picked up
I feel
a
like
few
I'm
tricks
the
yeah,
during my
that game.
wandering.
like your clicks are just
I haven't played in a
fucked
long
or
ass time. I
something.
just felt like a dick, like a bot, like not just because I was playing bad, like just my movements and shit. I just
Yeah.
felt like I actually
Yeah.
stuck a leg again.
Yeah. Annoying. Well, that's what
Aubrey?
I felt like when that last game, but before that I was playing pretty good. I'm getting so
At least make me
well, I
try.
think I've been alright. Been
I don't know what to do.
good enough to be I've been cracked, but
Fuck, this is actually AIDS.
yeah. Just gonna try and scale.
An
But
ally has
Yeah.
been slain.
just trying
I need him to do my man. I need a life steal.
An ally has been slain.
What's that? She got. She's not a red. How's she not done a red? Didn't she start red?
Just had a raptor.
Yeah, and then she's only got blue. So riddle me that, man.
Oh, that's
what the
weird.
fuck's going on, man? Oh, she's my blue, man.
That's
No
why.
sword and
You
shield
fucking
beats
kidding?
old
Like, what is
faith.
that fucking abortion shit? I'm
What
gonna try
is
and-
that? A bullshit
I'm
shit.
gonna try and fucking murder her, and if I lose, well, I'm fucking so tilted.
Gonna nade mid.
I'm fucking beyond tilted. So she dies the one who thinks I'm gonna invade the fucking
Oh,
Jax.
I love the block.
What? What
Watch
is that
there.
brain, cunt? And I'm
Yes.
gonna die to her now. being
Insane.
Fucking a mad tilted cunt.
It's actually retarded.
And now it's wasting my E like a dickhead. What am I doing? It's actually insane. What's all my fucking that side? Fucking wild cunt. Try and get center up, surely.
Boldness is earned, win after win.
They come.
One's pulled off B.
Okay, fuck your shit up, otherwise I could be killed. You're a fucking retard, cunt.
These old
How can you not
bones
flash
unfail
in
me
fucking
yet.
platinum? Like, wild. Who's this guy? Who's Shen?